Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. I don't know if you can see that. Yesterday we made around 100,000, and overall since last month we are up around $2.6 million on my Henko Trade Live account, as you can see. So guys, if you're looking for a broker, guys, check out Henko Trade. I will put a link down below in the description. They have one of the quickest withdrawals and deposits that you can have with cryptos. Very nice broker, guys. So let's talk about yesterday's trading day. Yesterday I was taking a buy on Nasdaq after that huge drop, as you can see here. New York session, I think, yeah, that's New York time. So the New York session started at around 8:30 in here, was pushing up, then the market was coming down pretty quick, and it was coming down too quick. I thought, like, after we broke the structure in here, I thought maybe we could get a deeper retracement for a nice sell in here, but the price never came back and slashed through all these structure lows on the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, a lot of sellers got tricked into the market in here, and of course a lot of buyers got stopped out. And so yeah, after we took out all the liquidity in here, the market showed me signs of a reversal on the 1 minute time frame. So I decided to step into the game in here, put my stop below, and then I took first profits in here at around big figure number 11,900. This was like where I see a potential reversal. As you can see, this was the zone, this last push to the upside before we had that drop. So as soon as it touched that zone, it is a potential that the price would turn around. And as you can see later on, the market just tipped the zone 2 times, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we had this beautiful break of structure in here where we could have made like a sell. It was a sell opportunity in here, and I got stopped out with the rest of my position. I had closed like 2/3, like 66%. I closed in here, 66%. I closed in here, and then I had the rest running with the stop at around 11,800. And of course, later on I got stopped out with my third position in here and took a little loss on that one. So we couldn't make like this huge push to the upside. I was aiming for potentially Nasdaq to push above 12,000, but it is clearly moving down, guys, and I think we are going to see some more downward pressure the upcoming days. Like, as you can see today, we just grabbed the liquidity above this high in here, you see that? And then after that, the market was going down super fast. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Let me show you what was happening here. You see that? It just grabbed the liquidity and then boom, was melting down. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to take a trade today. If I want to take a trade today, I probably will look out for sell opportunities. So I'm looking for structure to be broken clearly with a little bit of momentum, and then pull back and then get in and ride this into the downside. But for now it's still pulling back, so I'm not interested in a sell at that moment. But maybe later on we're gonna see some signs of reversal. Let's see, let's give it a little bit more movement to the upside, and then I would look out for reversal and see if Nasdaq wants to come down again. Let's see, guys. As you might know, if you're following me on Instagram, I'm back in my hometown, so I'm visiting my friends and family and stuff, and next week I'm going to fly back to Cyprus. So I'm not so active with trading this week because yeah, I have a lot to do. Here is nice weather. I'm going to hang out with some friends, have barbecues and stuff, having a good time with friends and family. I hope you can understand that. But I will take my time to get back to your chats when I have time, in the morning times or sometimes in the evening. But yeah, I will not be so active this week, just so you know. And yeah, but I will let you know, guys, if I have something, if I'm going to trade. I mean, I'm just trading like 1 or 2 hours most of the time per day, that's it. And if I have something, I will let you know, guys. Make sure to join the free Telegram channel. You will find the link down below. You will find the link down below as well to drop me a private message. So if you're looking for help, if you're looking for guidance, you can always drop me a private message. I will get back to you as soon as I can, as soon as I have time, and help you to get on top of the Forex game. So that's it, guys, for today. Wish you all the best. Have a profitable week. Stay healthy. Have a good time. And see you in the next video, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Peace!